take a look at this picture and take a look at this one. This is Royce and this is Rosemary.
Tawali Royce no atime bedru. Royce Kulinan. Royce Kulinan. Bim natives are not happy because your man Stonebwoy went to a year NGTV Ukumase or Kasi Shatta Wale be certain skin. And yet once the story is very simple. After said the Royce Kulinan never drop a SM actually say wakuya de no and the ride what town. You who say one any girlfriend, who say one a year medical cruising in the Royce. And you know, cruising in the Royce has led Bim native fans, it has given them headache. More pains. They are paining because they feel like say, hey Charlie, your man go talk say the thing be certain. Africa they say 209 Royce and Shatta Wale akoto. Sana they say Bim natives no more against they say rather mono and you say and I spotted the video online. There is this lady watching more abusia. The Royce is a 2006 Royce. Now what the picture be caption be tosoro. A new Royce and an old used Royce, and then she was trying to compare the Royce of SM no chimuse. Shatta Wale the Royce and a Rosemary and a Wayne Royce. Let's watch the video you buy your best or comment section. I say if today is your first time, can you click on the button, subscribe, put out some post notifications so that any update I get you notified. Now let's watch the video.
Fans, why are you all so emotional? Shatta Wale's fans, are there emotional, sir? In fact, Shatta fans are the most emotional fan base I have ever seen in my life. Why are you all so emotional? You love Shatta, we know, undoubtedly. You all love him to death. You love him to bits. But sometimes they are more emotional. When you have young and then I grow in my head. You're giving me, free publicity and I love it. So keep it coming, okay? If you insult me, anyways, I owe you a review. I told you I was gonna say something about it when I see Shatta in the Royce. And truly, I have seen him in the Royce. But the way Shatta is, I am expecting Shatta to even be in a 2026 Royce. Am I 2026 year new? But now you who say Shatta. What I say, the way I all claim me say, oh, richest artist in Ghana. No, I'm expecting Shatta to have the 2024-2025 Royce. You know what I mean? And certain kakrabi ewo mu kakra. To be very honest, because take a look at this picture and take a look at this one. This is Royce and this is Rosemary. Y'all don't come for me. If you come for me, that's your own cup of tea. But hey, that's my own opinion. Do not come for me. You can do whatever you want to do. You can even sue me if you want. That's my honest opinion, and that's it. All right, I'm out. Tell me what you think in the comments, guys.
That is one of the Bim natives. They are not happy with Shatta Wale's Royce landing because they thought say a sentence. But this time around, remember this Royce and Shatta Wale I released 2 songs titled Royce Part 1 and 2. And then the talks right now after he cried the Stonebwoy and attention because we couldn't know say SM intimate talk Royce since the 80s meduri after the so what your man do? The comment section is all yours. The comment section I say, what do you feel about this? Do you feel like Bim natives are in shame and that is the reason why they are saying that the car is a home use car? And now say, do you feel like the car is 2006 car? Say the Omokano. Your comments also count. Let's see in the comment section.